This video is the continuation of Mahatma Gandhi, lesson number 5, part 5, Mahatma Gandhi. In this video, we will continue with the exercise. So, first main is एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. Give one word answer. So, first question is सारे देश ने गांधी जी को क्या माना? Answer is सारे देश ने गांधी जी को राष्ट्रपिता माना. So, what did Gandhi ji was believed as in every country? In every country, Gandhi ji was believed as father of our nation. So, next, second question is भारत किसके प्रयत्न से आजाद हुआ? Answer is भारत भारत गांधी जी के प्रयत्न से आजाद हुआ. So, whose effort bought freedom in India? Gandhiji's effort bought freedom in India. Now, the third question is Gandhiji किसकी मूर्ति थे? Gandhiji was an idol of. So, answer is गांधी जी त्याग और तपस्या की मूर्ति थे. गांधी जी was an idol of sacrifice and tapasya means willingness for the self-sacrifice and the patience. And we can say it's a patience. We have to stay for a long time. For that, patience is required to complete any work. So like that, he is the idol of tyag and tapasya. So fourth question is गांधी जी का स्वभाव कैसा था? Answer is गांधी जी शर्मीले स्वभाव के थे. So when Gandhi ji, what Gandhi ji was, what are the habits of Gandhi ji? So when Gandhi ji was small, he was like a shy type boy. Next, fifth question is शिक्षा विभाग के अधिकारी स्कूल क्यों आए? आंसर इज शिक्षा विभाग के अधिकारी स्कूल के निरीक्षण के लिए आए थे. So why did the education department authorities came to school? The education department authorities came to school for an inspection. Next, sixth one is गांधी जी के भाई ने कितने रुपए कर्ज लिए थे? आंसर इज गांधी जी के भाई ने 25 रुपए कर्ज लिए थे. सो Gandhi, how much money did Gandhiji's brother had taken as loan? Gandhiji's brother had taken 25 rupees as loan. Now, moving to the seventh question, that is, गांधीजी ने पिता से क्या मांगी? आंसर, गांधीजी ने पिता से सजा मांगी. So, what did Gandhiji want from his father? Gandhiji wants a punishment from his father. So, first line question is over. Now, moving to the second main, that is दो तीन वाक्यों में उत्तर लिखिए. So, write 2-3 lines answer. So, here first question is गांधी जी पर नाटकों का क्या प्रभाव पड़ा? सो आंसर इज उत्तर श्रवण पितृभक्त और हरीशचंद्र नाटकों ने उन्हें सत्य तपस्वी बनाया. सो श्रवण पितृभक्त and Harishchandra dramas. These two dramas had motivated Gandhiji a lot, and because of that he follows, because after watching these dramas, he had or reading these dramas, he had followed the uh, followed truth and sacrifice always, and these two dramas had motivated a lot. Next क्वेश्चन इज गांधी जी की सत्य प्रियता कहाँ से शुरू हुई, कैसे? उत्तर, जब गांधी जी स्कूल में पढ़ते थे तब तब एक दिन शिक्षा विभाग के अधिकारी स्कूल के निरीक्षण के लिए आए थे। उन्होंने बच्चों बच्चों से कुछ शब्द लिखवाए। तब गांधी जी ने एक शब्द गलत लिखा तो उनके अध्यापक ने इशारे में समझाया कि दूसरे लड़के की कॉपी देखकर ठीक कर लो, किंतु गांधी जी ने ऐसा नहीं किया। इस वजह से उन्हें बुद्धू माना गया, पर उन्हें बुरा ना लगा। उन्हें खुशी थी कि उन्होंने चोरी का रास्ता नहीं अपनाया। उनकी सत्यप्रियता यहीं से शुरू हुई, जिसने उन्हें आगे महात्मा बनाया। So, so second question is, from where did Gandhi ji started his love towards the truth, and how? So when Gandhi ji was studying in school, one day in his school, the education department authorities visited for the inspection. They had given some dictation test to the children, but Gandhiji made a mistake. So his teacher had given a hint to copy from others' children. But Gandhiji didn't done that. And for that reason, he was considered as a fool boy. But Gandhiji was happy because he had followed the path of the truth. From there onwards his love towards the truth journey and started, and later he became a great person. So after that, the third question is पिता से गांधी जी के माफी मांगने का प्रसंग का वर्णन कीजिए। आंसर इज उत्तर, गांधी पिता से माफी मांगने की बात सोची, पर पिता के सामने जाने की हिम्मत ना हुई। सारी घटना पत्र में लिखकर गांधी ने पिता से सजा मांगी। पत्र पढ़कर पिता की आंखें भर आई। गांधी जी ने हमेशा के लिए चोरी की आदत छोड़ दी। पिता के आंसू देखकर गांधी जी को विश्वास हो गया कि पिता ने उन्हें क्षमा कर दिया है। So the third question is, Gandhi ji apologized to his father. So describe briefly. So when Gandhi ji was a small boy and he had done the mistake to steal his brother's bangle to give the loan first, complete the loan of what his brother had taken. So he had stolen the bangle. So this is regarding that one. So what he had done, he was, because he had done stolen the bangle and cut a piece of bangle, and so because of that he felt very bad. So he was thinking about to take a, a take an apology from his father, but he has no courage to face his father. So what he had done, he had written everything in the letter and asked a punishment from his father. When his father read the letter, his eyes became full of tears. And so Gandhiji had always, and then Gandhiji had seen that. So Gandhiji after this incident, he had dropped never stolen anything, and he had stopped this type of habit. And and after seeing his father's eyes, Gandhiji come to know that his father had forgived him. So this is the third question answer. Till then, after that, in the next video we will continue with the rest of the exercise. Till then, bye.